Are you looking to give your hair a boost in length and strength? Whether you're struggling with hair thinning, breakage, or slow growth, the right shampoo and conditioner can make a huge difference. In today's video, we'll review 5 of the best shampoos and conditioners for hair growth. We'll break down the key features, benefits, and how each of these products can help you achieve healthier, longer hair. Let's dive in and find the perfect match for your hair care routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Redken Extreme Length. The Redken Extreme Length Shampoo and Conditioner Set is formulated specifically to strengthen and nourish hair while promoting growth. This product is designed for those with long hair or individuals looking to grow out their hair. Redken's Extreme Length products are infused with biotin, an essential vitamin known to promote hair health, and added plant-based proteins, which work together to reduce breakage and improve hair elasticity. With regular use, your hair will feel stronger, healthier, and more resilient. Key features: the Redken Extreme Length range includes biotin and the brand's unique Length Care Complex, which works to strengthen the hair from the inside out. The shampoo is sulfate-free, ensuring that your hair is cleansed without stripping away natural oils. The conditioner provides deep hydration, smoothing and softening your strands while improving manageability. The products are suitable for all hair types and are especially effective for individuals dealing with breakage or hair that's prone to split ends. Benefits and usage: these products are highly effective at reducing hair breakage and split ends, which are major contributors to stunted hair growth. Biotin helps improve the thickness and texture of your hair, creating a healthier scalp environment. The shampoo gently cleanses, while the conditioner deeply nourishes, leaving hair feeling soft and smooth without weighing it down. For best results, use the duo together regularly. Apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage it into the scalp, and rinse thoroughly. Follow up with the conditioner, focusing on the lengths and ends, for added moisture. Usability: the Redken Extreme Length Duo is easy to use and suitable for daily use, thanks to its gentle formulation. The shampoo lathers well and is easy to rinse out, while the conditioner absorbs quickly, leaving no residue behind. For individuals with fine or oily hair, the lightweight nature of both products makes them ideal, as they won't weigh the hair down or cause buildup. On the other hand, those with dry or damaged hair will appreciate the extra moisture and nourishment. Durability: with regular use, you can expect to see visible results over time, as the biotin and plant-based proteins work to strengthen the hair, reduce breakage, and foster healthier hair growth. The shampoo and conditioner are long-lasting, with each bottle typically lasting a few months, depending on your hair length and frequency of use. The high-quality formula ensures that your hair remains nourished even with continuous use. In the second spot, we have Kérastase Resistance. Kérastase is known for its luxury hair care products, and the Kérastase Resistance Shampoo and Conditioner Duo is no exception. This line is specifically formulated for weakened or damaged hair and is designed to stimulate hair growth by reinforcing the hair fiber. The shampoo gently cleanses while fortifying the hair, and the conditioner deeply nourishes the hair, leaving it feeling stronger and more resilient. If you've been struggling with thinning hair or hair loss, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Key features: the Kérastase Resistance range is enriched with the brand's exclusive Vitaciment technology, which works to strengthen and rebuild the hair's internal structure. It also contains prokeratin, a complex that mimics the hair's natural proteins, helping to restore and reinforce the hair fiber. The shampoo is sulfate-free, offering a gentle cleanse while maintaining the hair's moisture balance. The conditioner helps to deeply hydrate and repair damaged strands, leaving them soft, shiny, and easy to manage. Benefits and usage: these products are ideal for anyone dealing with hair loss or breakage due to heat styling, coloring, or environmental damage. The shampoo works to cleanse the scalp while providing essential nutrients, while the conditioner delivers intense hydration, which is crucial for maintaining healthy hair growth. The conditioner also dead-angles the hair, reducing friction and preventing further breakage. To use, apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage it into the scalp, and rinse thoroughly. Follow up with the conditioner, applying it to the lengths and ends of the hair. Usability. The Kérastase Resistance Duo is suitable for daily use, although individuals with extremely dry or damaged hair may benefit from using it 3 to 4 times per week. Both products have a luxurious feel, with a rich texture that is easily spread across the hair. The shampoo lathers well and rinses out cleanly, while the conditioner provides deep nourishment without leaving a greasy or heavy feeling. Users with fine or flat hair may find that the conditioner adds weight, so use a lighter hand if your hair tends to get weighed down easily. Durability. With regular use, the Kérastase Resistance Duo works effectively to improve hair texture, reduce breakage, and promote healthier growth. The products are highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way, meaning each bottle will last for several months. Over time, users will notice that their hair feels stronger, shinier, and healthier, contributing to improved growth. Due to its premium formulation, the Kérastase Resistance range is ideal for those looking for long-term hair restoration and care. Coming in at number 3 is the Briogeo Repair. Briogeo's Repair shampoo and conditioner set is a favorite among those who are seeking natural, clean beauty solutions. This line is formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients like avocado oil, argan oil, and rosehip oil, all of which are known for their ability to hydrate, repair, and protect hair. The duo is free from sulfates, parabens, and silicones, making it perfect for individuals looking for a clean, eco-friendly option to promote hair growth and overall health. Key features. The Briogeo Repair line includes the brand's proprietary superfoods complex, which contains biotin, B vitamins, and antioxidants. These ingredients work together to nourish the scalp, reduce hair breakage, and support healthy hair growth. The shampoo gently cleanses without stripping natural oils, while the conditioner hydrates, dead angles, and helps to restore the hair's natural shine. Both products are safe for color-treated hair and sensitive scalps, making them ideal for a wide range of users. Benefits and usage. Briogeo's Repair Duo is perfect for anyone dealing with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. The shampoo works to cleanse the scalp while the oils nourish and hydrate, leaving the hair soft, smooth, and manageable. The conditioner works to improve elasticity, which can help reduce breakage and promote longer, healthier hair growth. To use, apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse. Follow up with the conditioner, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Usability. The Briogeo Repair products are suitable for daily use, especially for those with dry or damaged hair. The shampoo lathers beautifully, and the conditioner is rich and creamy, making it easy to apply and distribute through your hair. The formula is lightweight enough to not weigh hair down, even on finer textures. It's also great for those with sensitive scalps, as it's free from harsh chemicals and fragrances. If you're looking for a clean beauty option, this duo is an excellent choice. Durability. Thanks to the highly concentrated ingredients, the Briogeo Repair Duo lasts a long time. Users with medium to long hair can expect the products to last for several months, even with regular use. As you continue to use the products, you'll notice your hair becoming stronger, shinier, and more manageable, all while reducing breakage and promoting healthier growth. Briogeo's commitment to clean, natural ingredients means you can trust that the product will provide long-lasting results without compromising on quality. Taking our 4th spot is Mielle Rosemary Mint. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Shampoo and Conditioner set is a popular choice for those looking for natural products to help with hair growth. Infused with rosemary and peppermint oils, this duo stimulates the scalp, promoting blood circulation and encouraging hair growth. The formula is designed to be gentle yet effective, helping to detoxify the scalp while strengthening and moisturizing the hair from root to tip. This set is particularly well suited for those looking to improve hair density and promote healthier, longer hair. Key features. The Mielle Rosemary Mint range is packed with nutrient-rich ingredients, including biotin, which is well known for supporting hair growth. Rosemary and peppermint oils are included to invigorate the scalp and improve circulation, which can help with hair regrowth. The shampoo is sulfate-free, meaning it won't strip the hair of its natural oils, and the conditioner is rich in moisture, leaving hair soft, shiny, and well-nourished. This product is also safe for color-treated and natural hair types. Benefits and usage. the Mielle Rosemary Mint Duo is particularly effective for individuals who want to promote healthy hair growth. The shampoo works to cleanse the scalp of impurities while stimulating blood flow, which can help encourage faster hair growth. The conditioner provides the moisture and nutrients needed to keep hair soft and strong, preventing breakage and split ends. For best results, use the shampoo and conditioner together regularly. Apply the shampoo to damp hair, massage into the scalp, and rinse. Follow up with the conditioner for smooth, nourished strands. Usability: the Mielle Rosemary Mint Duo is easy to use and is suitable for all hair types, especially those looking to promote growth or improve hair density. The shampoo lathers well, and the invigorating minty sensation is refreshing. The conditioner is moisturizing without being heavy, so it works well on both thick and fine hair. It also helps detangle hair, making it easier to manage. For optimal results, use this set consistently over time. Durability: the Mielle Rosemary Mint products are highly effective, and regular use leads to noticeable improvements in hair growth and overall hair health. Each bottle typically lasts for a few months, depending on your hair length and usage frequency. With consistent use, you'll likely see your hair becoming stronger, thicker, and longer over time, making this set an excellent long-term investment for those seeking natural hair growth solutions. And finally, at number 5, we have Bondi Boost Growth. Bondi Boost Growth Shampoo and Conditioner is a favorite among those who want to speed up the process of growing thicker, longer hair. Formulated with a blend of natural ingredients like biotin, caffeine, and a variety of nourishing oils, this product works to nourish the hair and scalp, reduce hair thinning, and encourage new hair growth. The duo is free from harmful chemicals, making it a great choice for those seeking a clean, effective solution to hair growth. Key features: the Bondi Boost Growth Shampoo and Conditioner contain ingredients known for their ability to promote hair growth. Biotin strengthens the hair shaft, while caffeine stimulates the hair follicles, improving hair density and growth. The shampoo is sulfate-free, gently cleansing the scalp and hair without stripping away natural oils, while the conditioner provides deep hydration to prevent dryness and breakage. Together, the duo works to create an ideal environment for hair growth. Benefits and usage: the Bondi Boost Growth set is perfect for individuals who want to accelerate their hair growth process. It's designed to stimulate the scalp and promote thicker, healthier hair. The shampoo detoxifies the scalp while infusing it with nutrients, while the conditioner locks in moisture to keep the hair strong and shiny. To use, apply the shampoo to wet hair, massage it into the scalp, and rinse. Follow up with the conditioner for optimal results. Usability: these products are suitable for all hair types and can be used daily. The shampoo lathers nicely and has a refreshing, invigorating scent, while the conditioner is rich and hydrating, leaving hair soft and manageable. The formula is lightweight and doesn't weigh down hair, making it ideal for fine hair as well. It's also great for people with sensitive scalps, as it's free from sulfates and parabens. Durability: Bondi Boost Growth Shampoo and Conditioner provide long-term benefits. With regular use, you should begin to notice stronger, healthier hair within a few weeks. The high-quality ingredients ensure that each bottle lasts for several months, making it a cost-effective solution for anyone looking to improve their hair health and growth. Over time, users can expect noticeable improvements in hair thickness, texture, and growth speed. And that concludes our roundup of the best shampoos and conditioners for hair growth. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, from nourishing ingredients to strengthening formulas. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair growth, so stick with your favorite choice, and you'll likely start to see noticeable improvements. If you've tried any of these products or have any other recommendations, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tips. See you next time.